Coffee break?
This is better for you. It's natural. Our teacher said that homes should be made of long-lasting, sustainable materials that won't harm our health or the planet. Is that why we're using Weathertex Cladding?
Naturally.
Aside from being a safer and healthier cladding, there are many other reasons that Weathertex should be your first choice. They are Australian owned and made with over 50 years in the business and voted #1 most trusted brand in the building industry. They're 100% natural, made from Australian hardwood with no added chemicals, glues, silica, resins and formaldehydes. Only standard carpentry tools are needed for cutting. They're extremely durable, lightweight and flexible, with panels that are up to 10 kilos lighter. They offer up to 25 years warranty against rotting, splitting and cracking. They're termite resistant. They offer a wide selection of weatherboards and architectural panels available in both natural and primed. To find out more information, check out their website. Weathertex, a better choice, naturally.